My day job is a psychologist. I work at the Chemnitz University of Technology in Germany on a research project how bionic limbs, such as the prosthetic hand that I'm wearing, affect how we stereotype people with disabilities. So, but having a disability myself, you can see that I have a very personal relationship with my subject field. And there's one thing I was struggling with, and that is something that has something to do with my other passion outside of academia, and that's making electronic music. I love to make electronic music with modular synthesizers that look like this. I'll show you a different camera angle in a second. And they have a lot of these tiny knobs that you need to turn doing a movement like this, which is very, very difficult with a hand prosthesis like this. Now, a hand prosthesis like this is operated such, let me switch to the different camera here so that you can see it a little better. Sorry, I'm very nervous. Right, so the way this works is that inside of the prosthesis, there are two electrodes that sit on the surface of the skin, and they pick up the EMG signal of the muscles that would control the wrist if I still had one. Now, I thought it's a bit stupid to pick up an electric signal here to convert it into mechanical movement there, and to use that to turn knob, which basically turns it back to an electric signal, right? It would be much better to directly send the electric signal from the arm prosthesis into the synthesizer, because with these synthesizers, the thing is, next to every knob, there is an input jack that will accept an analog voltage in the range of -5 to +5 volts that basically remote controls the knob right next to it. So together with the help of the internet, my friend Christian and my husband Daniel, we built a little device, and this is the prototype. It's the first working prototype. Still looks a little crude. We call it the SynLimb. And the way this works is you can, and this will work on any standard arm prosthesis that uses the same connector. So this is a little awkward. I can pop up the hand like this, and instead pop on the little device that we built. We can see the LED comes up. And as you can see here, there are these two jacks that basically translate the EMG signals from inside the prosthesis into a signal that the synthesizer will understand. So I hope I got this hooked up for you to hear something. Can you hear the melody? Give me a nod, everyone, if you can hear it. Brilliant. Okay, super. So you can hear a little melody playing, which goes through a filter. What everybody does in synthesis. So now if I plug this in here, the prosthesis had switched itself off. Oh, come on. Oh, wow, this is amazing. What a shit show. Sorry. Did I just blow this up? Oh, no. Oh, no, it's coming in. Give me a second. I'll have it in a second. Sorry, I'm really nervous. This is the first time that I'm demonstrating this to such a large audience. Apologies. Goodness, I'm really shaking.
You're doing fine.
Okay. Okay. The light's up again. So where's the bloody cable? Here. Oh, there. Can you hear it? So see the light. So here. And the thing is, I'm only thinking that, right? I'm thinking filter close and the filter closes. So basically, I have now an interface that connects the EMG signal from my prosthesis directly to the synthesizer so that I can create a drop, right? And here it goes. And the thing with these synthesizers is I can plug this in a lot of different places and it will change different musical parameters. So for example, if I plug this in here, I can make the decay of the hi-hat longer, right? Did you hear that? And the thing is, I just need to think it and it just happens. Sorry, I still find this amazing because I'm just a psychologist. I'm not even an engineer. And I was able to, use a soldering iron and work on this circuit that's inside of here. So basically what I think this shows is the potential that sorry, that's the wrong camera again. I'm very nervous. Right, here we go. So I hope this demonstrates not only the potentials that are in interfaces, but also how empowering this kind of technology is and the internet, that even a person like me can actually work out something like this that turns their disability into something. Thank you, Adam. I saw that. Thank you very much for your attention. That was it.